In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficial. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show this video motivational quotes about unity. Number 1. Unity is the key that unlocks the door to collective strength and endless possibilities. Number 2. In unity, we find strength. Together, we achieve greatness beyond individual reach. Number 3. Harmony thrives where unity resides, stitching differences into a vibrant tapestry of shared purpose. Number 4. United we stand, indivisible in purpose, our combined efforts paving the path to success. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thanks.